Hello there. Okay, today we are learn how to wrap a conformal head mesh into any kind of head. For example, we can try with its 3D free head from 3D Scan Store. You can download, you find the link on the description. This is the head that they provide with the skin, all the stuff. You can see it in Blender. So basically today we turn this with a different Metahuman topology into a Metahuman with all the textures. To do this, we need to get our conformed head, this one. You can see my previous video, you can get it on Fab. We need to resize like this, more or less, to match the target head. Then we open the wrap. You can download it from the FaceForm website. You have 30 days trial. In the wrap, we go to the gallery, we click wrapping, the first one. Then in the 3D mode, you can see the template. I'll show you and I'll explain how it works. Here on the graph, you see that we input the base mesh, the Metahuman head, the scan head, we select polygons, point pairs, and wrap, and the output will be a Metahuman head who resemble with the likeness of the target mesh. So we need to upload here the Metahuman head. Here we upload the target mesh, the 3D Scan Store head, and the texture. Okay? So it can help to add a node here like image node, load image. We load the Metahuman topology texture who provide with Fab, so we can have guide and know where to click. After that, we need to click select polygons and go to the visual editor. Click on the blank because there were some polygons selected from the template. Then select point pairs. This will show you the two heads. We need to clear all before, because this is the template who have already some points. So with clear all, here we click the points in the same location for the eyes. So right eye, left eye, 5, 6. We don't need too many points, but more points you put, more precise will be the result. The point number 9 here. Under the nose, it's really helpful here. The mouth here, here. The corner of the mouth. Bottom lip. It will be useful also. The bottom of the upper lip and the top of the bottom lip. The chin. The ears. You need to put the points in the same location. If you do something like this, where the point 22 is not in the same location, you break everything. So be careful when you assign the points. 23, 34, 35. Then also here is useful. The nostril is really useful. Sometimes work with the texture, it helps, sometimes it won't help. So you can remove the texture and see only the geometry. 28, okay? So now we go to the wrapping, we click compute. As you can see, on the viewport 3D, we have the metahuman we put as input turn into metahuman with the likeness of our target mesh. Then you need to add a node, geometry, save geometry, click. Here you can choose a path, wrap pad, 3D, scan, store, girl, and remember to click compute. In Unreal, you create a folder where you import your wrapped 3D scan store girl head. Remember to put 90 degree on the first x-axis here. Then you can create metahuman character, 3D girl scan. You open it. You go to the conform session, from template, click the head you import, put here, and click conform. In the fab template you also have left eye, right eye, and teeth. You can manipulate and modify that too. If you don't put anything here, only the head, Metahuman Creator will put teeth and eyes automatically. So you can sculpt the teeth when you need it, like for a vampire or something like that. When you click confirm, you see that the metahuman head now is the girl you want. Then we put a material, we change the eyes color, and blah, blah, blah. If you want to transfer the texture, you come back to the gallery and you click the second template here, texture transfer. Okay? We have something like before, it's really similar. We have the scan head and the base mesh. On the scan head, we need to put the 3D scan store mesh. And the texture, in the texture we put the 3D scan store mesh, texture. And we have the original geometry. Then here on the base mesh, we click and upload the wrapped metahuman. They need to match. They need to match in geometry or it won't work. On select polygon, you click on the blank area because the template, it comes with some polygons selected. You come back to viewport 3D, you click transfer texture. Here, you can put like 4K resolution. And then, if we click transfer texture and we click viewport 2D, we can see the metahuman topology is here. With extrapolate image node, it can fill the gap, you see? Then, right click, save image, and we can save a PNG metahuman UV albedo. And remember to click compute current frame. You can also repeat the process with the normal map and the other maps. So you come back to the first node, you choose face normal. All the nodes are already set, so you just need to click on extrapolate image and you will have the normal map. Save images, and you will say metahuman, UV, normal, and compute. So coming back to Unreal, here we can upload metahuman albedo, and metahuman normal. Then we go to the skin, scroll down here, override texture, click twice the plus button, base color, normal. Then we put the albedo on the base color, the normal on the normal. And we have the same girl that we have here in Blender. But with the Metahuman UV. Okay? If you have questions, just message here, write a comment, and experiment, play around, have fun. Bye-bye.